Australians are familiar with hazards like bushfires, floods, cyclones, heat waves, and crises like health, supply chain issues, and cyber attacks. But did you know there are national crisis arrangements to coordinate before, during, and after crises? Introducing the National Coordination Mechanism, or NCM. The NCM operates within the Australian Government Crisis Management Framework. The Crisis Management Framework is the blueprint for handling any crises. The NCM helps make sure that a national response is coordinated by bringing together key government agencies, not-for-profit organisations and the private sector to work together. Picture the NCM as an interconnected web, with each sector or domain as a node that is then connected to another web, like agriculture, health, the state and territory governments, emergency management agencies and private sector stakeholders like telecommunication and supply chains. When a hazard or crisis happens, an NCM is rapidly stood up. The NCM is a voluntary collaboration, coordination and communication tool that helps to quickly analyse the situation, make decisions and take action to reduce harm and stabilise the situation before, during and immediately after a crisis. Through tasked actions or sector forums, experts are brought together to tackle challenges as they arise, providing flexible and scalable support to decision makers. The NCM informs key decision makers. It's the ultimate mechanism, working within current legislation, agency policies and executive decision making. It ensures speed to action and decisions that are synchronised and responsive. In a crisis, you need experts to collaborate, coordinate and assess the situation, know vulnerabilities and communicate effectively. The NCM plays a crucial role in Australia's crisis management system. It enables the Australian Government to manage and respond to concurrent, consecutive and compounding events. Crises don't run on your schedule. We know they can happen at any moment. They can occur at the same time anywhere in Australia, and they can have a compounding effect. The NCM is adaptable and scalable, and NCMs can be run consecutively or concurrently, pending the crises that are occurring. Consider this example. Let's say an NCM is dealing with a storm when a cyber attack occurs. The NCM would look at how this affects the concurrent NCMs in areas like banking, security and information. The NCMs would work together to look at whether the crises are affecting each other and then would seek to stabilise the situation, expanding and sharing an understanding of the situation, the impacted areas and interdependencies enhances the NCM effectiveness in stabilising the problems identified within these crises. In an ever-changing risk landscape, you can rest assured Australia is ready for any crisis. You can check out more resources by visiting the website through the QR code.